Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears in a factory. First, let's gather our main ingredients: gelatin, sugar, and corn syrup. These are carefully measured and combined in large mixing tanks. Then, we add the vibrant fruit flavorings and food colorings that give gummy bears their distinct taste and appearance. This initial mixing ensures a consistent base for all our delicious treats. Once mixed, the gummy solution is transferred to large kettles where it's heated to a precise temperature. This cooking step is crucial for dissolving all the ingredients completely and achieving the perfect texture. Our team constantly monitors the temperature and consistency to guarantee a smooth, uniform liquid. This careful preparation is key before the mixture moves to the next stage. Now for the fun part: molding. The warm liquid gummy is poured into trays filled with starch molds. These molds, often made from cornstarch, give the gummy bears their iconic shapes. The trays then move to a cooling area where the gummies slowly set and firm up over several hours. This patient cooling process ensures each gummy bear holds its shape perfectly. After setting, the gummy bears are carefully removed from their starch molds. They then receive a light coating, often a food-grade wax or oil, to prevent them from sticking together. Finally, the finished gummy bears are weighed, counted, and packaged into bags or containers, ready to be shipped out and enjoyed by candy lovers everywhere. It's a sweet journey from ingredients to your snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.